What's up guys, so the Galaxy S10 family has been out. It's an incredible release indeed. You guys know most of the amazing things that these phones can do, like the amazing 4K selfie recording, fast wireless charging, the beautiful Infinity O display, large battery sizes. But it's time to talk about some of the unique features that most of the people don't know. And these are also one of my favorite features about the phone. Some of these are actually very surprising, so here goes. The first up is the night mode. And by that, I don't mean the softer night mode, I mean the camera night mode. Bright night is the feature that we heard that it's going to be a night mode with Samsung's Galaxy S10 camera, which will rival the Google Night Sight, but it's actually nowhere to be found. The S10 has the scene optimizer, which basically during the night scenes enhances the image, but it's not like a full-on dedicated night mode option. And a lot of people think that the Galaxy S10 family might not have the night mode option, so for those, I want you guys to know that the S10 family will indeed be getting a future update that will enable a proper night mode, as found by the developer Max Winback a couple of weeks ago, where he manually enabled a mode called night in the camera while digging through the One UI software for the Note 9. As you can see, it says take multiple shots and combine them to get a brighter, clearer pictures in low light without using the flash. So this clearly shows a proper night mode is indeed coming in the future update for the Galaxy S10 family, and also there's a good chance of this coming to the Note 9 and S9 Plus as well. Moving on, we have notification light. The Samsung Galaxy S10 design gets rid of a lot of things from the top side of the phone compared to the previous models. So they have removed the iris scanner, the whole top bezel is a lot slimmer now, and they also got rid of the LED notification stuff. So instead, now we have a hole on the display that has camera and also a ring light around it. If you get a notification, the ring around it flashes, which now acts as a notification light, and I think that's kind of neat. Number 3, Bixby Remapping. This is a big one, something that I didn't expect at all. So with Galaxy S10 family, you can finally remap Bixby to any application you want, which is amazing. Something Samsung always blocked when we used to do it in the past through third-party applications, but now they are allowing us to do it by default and set whatever application we want to set. This really shows that Samsung is a company which actually listens to its customer. Not only that, the default Bixby Remapping is also expected to come to older devices such as the S9 Plus and Note 9, and maybe even further like the Galaxy S8 family as well. Number 4, exclusive offers for teachers and students. Samsung has a great offer for those who are student/teacher. You know, life can be hard managing all the bills and the fees for college and stuff, and Galaxy S10 prices are not helping in this situation either. So Samsung came with this offer. If you are a teacher or student, you can get an 8% discount, so that brings the prices down to these numbers. You can even get discount up to 40% on other products from Samsung as well. For this, you have to have a .edu email address. You can check the link in the description for that. Next on the list is getting rid of the hole. With Galaxy S10 family, you get an infinity hole design. Although it is not a notch, but it is something on the display which will stay there if you're watching YouTube videos or playing games. So Samsung is giving you an option to hide the hole by going to the settings and in the display section. Personally, to me, hole isn't a problem. It's way too small compared to a notch, so I wouldn't hide it. You'll lose some screen real estate as well, but the option is still there. If you want to disable it, you can do it and get a solid black look thanks to the OLED panel. Number 6, best camera. The Galaxy S10 Plus camera has been tested out by DxOMark, and according to their results, the S10 Plus takes the crown for the best overall camera on a smartphone for still images, and it got a total score of 114, which is on par with the Mate 20 Pro and the Huawei P20 Pro. And one of the best things is that it has an insane improvement in the selfie camera. According to the DxOMark testing, the Galaxy S10 Plus has the best selfie camera that they have ever tested. It's really good with the details, and also one of the massive improvement compared to the previous models is the bokeh in the live focus selfies. So thanks to the added depth sensor, the selfies are improved a lot. Number 7, Wi-Fi 6. Samsung Galaxy S10 family are quite possibly the first phones in the world to hit the market with the next generation of Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is the next generation of wireless standard that's faster than the current standards that we have on most phones. We've got better speed, better performance in congested areas like in the stadium or in a basement or in places with many connected devices, higher data rates, increased capacity, and overall improved power efficiency. Number 8, social apps. Okay, so this is a common thing you have heard a lot, that social media apps tends to run better on iPhone. And it is true, but Samsung has finally taken the step to improve the Instagram and Snapchat experience. So they work exclusively to optimize these applications for the Galaxy S10. Now you get a dedicated Instagram mode for the camera on the S10 Plus, which allows you to take a picture with the default camera application and post it on the Instagram in full quality. The new camera kit will be available to developers to enhance these applications even more as we get more updates. Number 9, dynamic tone mapping. The Galaxy S10 Plus features the world's first HDR10 Plus display with 1200 nits of brightness. That's insane. That is more than most of the OLED TVs out there. And it also features something called dynamic tone mapping. What this does is that it changes the video that you're watching to match the display capabilities. In other words, the games and videos you'll play on your Galaxy S10 Plus will be optimized by the video processor and get enhanced to the max quality. This is something that we have on a lot of TVs out there. Even if you're watching a 720p or a 1080p video, it upscales the content according to the display capabilities. So this is something that is exactly happening with the Galaxy S10. If you are a Netflix user, I think your experience is about to get even better. And last on the list is the record-breaking benchmark. Galaxy S10 Plus has set new standards in the benchmark world as far as the numbers are concerned, so it's still a little bit behind the Apple A12 chipset, but compared to last year's model, we have a whopping 35% faster performance in benchmarks. But nonetheless, I'll be testing out the performance in a couple of hours, so stay tuned for those videos. And anyways, these are the things that you probably didn't know about the Galaxy S10 family. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.